Hi, I'm Jordan with Karcher. This video is to show the features and benefits of the BRC 3015. At 12 inches wide, it's very easy to use in tight, confined areas. The handle folds all the way over for a very small footprint. A simple to operate rocker switch determines whether we are using extraction mode or the hand tool. The clear recovery dome and back gives us an excellent sight picture to make sure the BRC 3015 is recovering properly. The solution port is easy to access. Just simply remove the recovery tank located on top. The clear hose at the rear is easily accessible to be able to dump the freshwater solution tank or to monitor how much clean solution we have left for cleaning tasks. The recovery tank is small and very portable. It is easily removed to take back, dump, and clean out. Well, thank you for watching our video on the features and benefits of the BRC 3015. And until next time, keep it clean.